All right, what's this address?
1143 Sheridan Court Northeast.
1143 Sheridan Court Northeast, going down through the 6-inch SDR cleanout in the middle of the yard. All right, we got some root growth right there.
Yep.
Yeah. There, your cleanout tap here is compromised. It's got roots in it. See down there?
Yep.
And then there's some above the camera that I just briefly saw when I did that. All right, and then, yeah, there's roots growing up there on the side. All right, and then it's out of the water. So
Okay.
there's a problem right here.
Yep.
It's holding a little bit of water right there. A lot of times you can't tell how deep when you're going forward. We'll be able to tell when we go backwards. It looks to me like there's just a dip in the line there. Yeah. Alright, there's a piece of toilet paper that's holding the water up. You see it? Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, that's still SDR pipe, but there's a lip there. Right there. See that?
Yep.
There's an obstruction right there. Come on, get up there a little bit.
This is the obstruction, or this?
Yeah. It looks like this right here is the tap to the street. Or this is under the street. That's the main sewer line right there in the back.
Okay.
The kind of gray part here.
Okay.
And this is a baby wipe or something that's leaning up against where they tied onto the tap at.
Okay.
I'm going to pause view, turn that locate off. Alright, so we have some debris in the line here at the end of the pipe. And that could be what's holding water, because it's not a ton of water. Ooh, that needs jetted out is what that is. You see that sludge?
Yes.
That's what's holding your water up. See all that sludge right there?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Much different point of view, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
So probably the first thing that would need to happen is see, all that sludge is what's holding the water.
Okay.
That doesn't tell us. If you look at the angle, I'll show you something else here. When I've only got one sled on, it's hard to tell. See, right now, you see that -2 degrees? That means it's falling. Yeah.
Okay.
Like if I push it forward a little bit, see it's dropping. If that goes right now, that kind of says that it's falling some. If I keep dragging it back, yeah, that's falling. So
Is that just
as long as it's not
That's okay though.
yeah, that's what we want.
Right. Okay. Understand.
Yeah, so we have slope there, but we've got
The sludge.
sludge. You know, right here where at 0 is a little bit level. Back to 0. Okay. So what this tells me is, at a minimum, this cleanout needs to be dug up, and actually what I would do is not dig up at the cleanout here, but go back to the sidewalk. Yeah, the line's coming this way.
Yep.
I would dig back to right here. This line is probably 4 inch to here,
Yep.
or 4 inch to that cleanout, and then it's 6 inch from that cleanout to the street. What I would do is dig back, start here, 4-inch line and rerun this line all the way down and put a clean out right there at the edge of the yard, a 4-inch, not a 6. Put a 4-inch there, and then come down here, about right here, and run a 4-inch, and then put the 6-inch here with a 6-inch clean out right here.
So
And
two.
then water jet that tap to
Yep.
clear it out, because there's nothing we can do short of cutting up sidewalks and streets
Right.
and all that. Not much we can do about that tap line except jet it out and clean it out, so that you saw that was probably an inch or two of sludge.
Oh yeah, I saw. Yeah.
So with there being roots of this at the bottom of the pipe, it's going to have to be dug up anyway. And this is not such a long distance. The difference between digging that up and water jet it, and the difference between digging that up and running 25 feet of pipe and a new 6-inch clean out, that would get rid of the roots. It would give you the required clean outs you're supposed to have, because you're supposed to have a 4-inch at the house and a 6-inch at the street.
Oh.
And it would jet that sludge out of the sewer. And because if we go back to 4-inch pipe, we can change the fall level on that to make it steeper when it hits this, right? So if there is any level in here, water's got velocity
Push on
before it
through.
hits into the sewer.
Okay.
All right?
Yep. Makes sense to me. We have to see now. What would the? You got a guesstimate?
This will conclude the video inspection.